everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add a gradient bar to your Shopify header. First, access your Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. Just click it. This opens the themes page. Find your current theme. Click the three-dot menu button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the Filter Files box, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css appear. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This code controls your entire store's look. We'll scroll down to the very last line of this script. Just keep scrolling to the bottom. The last line with blank, we'll hit Enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link is in the description. Simply access the page and copy the code. Just click the copy button. Code copied back to Shopify. Paste it in the blank line. After pasting, it'll add a gradient bar atop your store's header, looking like a rainbow. To change the gradient color, go to the line below. There's a comment to choose gradient color and a site called csgradient.io. Just copy and visit this site. Opening the site, you'll see a page to configure your desired gradient. It's easy to set up. There's a top bar showing available color. You can see some predefined settings there. To configure, simply click on the color. It's divided into 3 colors here, and you can click to select the color you want. Click to select the color, then set the percentage of that color you want. Move to the second color, choose which one you want, and then do the same for the last color. If you don't want a color, just click on it or delete it. You can also edit on the right side, selecting colors and percentages. To add a new color, just click on the bar. After setting the bar as you want, for example with 3 colors here, it generates a code below. Go to where it says background and copy from linear gradient to the end of the line. Just copy this line from linear gradient, then go back to your script. Here in the script, on the first line, you'll see the gradient bar and exactly the same line, linear gradient. You can select everything here. This line is long, but you can delete it all. So I've deleted it, and now you'll just paste the new code. After pasting the new code, it'll insert the new color. I don't want the color I selected, but the default one. You can choose any color you want. After that, just go to the top right and click the save button. Once saved, your changes are applied. Now your store will show the bar above the header. I hope this video was helpful.